Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Garden, a complete knowledge workshop.
Welcome everybody for the today's class. Those who have not attended the previous class, please go to the description box and visit our link. जो माने आपण माने देखि नांती पूर्व वीडियो गुड़िक तो description box को जानतु एवं देखि नियंतु आपण माने ठीक भाबरे भलरे बुझि परिबे. So we have already discussed about the clause in the previous class. On the basis of this clause, we can classify the sentence as simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. So आमे clause विषय पढ़िले वर्तमान आमे कोटा simple sentence, कोटा compound sentence, कोटा complex sentence ओडिया रे कहले सरल यौगिक एवं जटिल वाक्य कोटा आमे सेटा जानिबा. So now simple sentence. What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is that sentence which has a simple independent clause with a subject and predicate. गोटे independent clause थिबो से sentence रे आउ सतिरे गोटे सब्जेक्ट थिबो आ तार प्रेडिकेट पार्ट थिबो ताको हमें सिंपल सेंटेंस बोली कहबा जोटा कि हमें सरल वाक्य बोली कहउचे. He gave me a basket of oranges to sell them in the nearest market. Let's the example. He gave me a basket of oranges. So here, what we saw here, in the simple sentence there is the single independent clause. That means it is independent, it does not depend upon any other clause. So that is a independent clause. So here, he gave me a basket of oranges. So it simply describes about a complete sense. So this sentence does not depend upon any other clause or sentence. ये जो वाक्यटी ये कहा ऊपर निर्भर करो नहीं. So it is independent clause and it has subject and predicate. Who gave me a basket of oranges? So he here is the subject. So other part is the predicate. So here we saw the subject and predicate. So this type of sentence is called a simple sentence. So now come to the compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is that sentence which contains at least two independent clauses that are joined by a comma or semicolon or a conjunction. Compound sentence বা যৌগিক বাক্য ওড়িয়ারে কাহাকু কইবা? In that sentence which contains at least two independent clause, দুইটা independent clause থিব. ଆମେ ସେ long sentence ଟାକୁ ଦିଟା independent clause ରେ divide କରି परिबा बा ଦିଟା independent clause ସେଟା ଆମେ ପାଇ परिबा जोटा कि गोटे कम्मा रे जॉइन होई पारे किबा सेमिकोलन रे जॉइन होई पारे किबा कंजक्शन वर्ड रे हमें जॉइन करि पारो. So come to the example. She completed her project and she became ready to present it in the class. So here she completed her project. It is an independent clause. It don't need any other clauses for support. Another one, she became ready to present in the class. So it does not need. She became ready to present in the class. Here, she became ready to present in the class. It is also an independent clause. It don't depend upon any other clause. So here, she completed her project. It is one independent clause and she became ready to present in the class, it is another independent clause. So these two independent clause joined with the conjunction and. Joined with the conjunction and. So this is a compound sentence. So now the complex sentence. What is a complex sentence? जटिल वाक्य क्या कहबा? A complex sentence is that sentence which contains at least one independent clause and another dependent clause or subordinate clause. जदि गोटे वाक्य गोटे सेंटेंस रे आमे गोटे मेन क्लॉज बा इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज पाइबा ता सहित गोटे डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज पाइबा ताले से सेंटेंस टा बा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बा जटिल वाक्य. Now come to the example. He needs further medical tests. Although he visited the doctor twice till now. So here he needs further medical tests. What does this mean? This means that here this part of sentence does not depend upon any other clause or sentence. He needs further medical tests. So it is the main clause. It is the main clause or it is the independent clause. But this one, although he visited the doctor twice till now. So this part of the sentence depend upon the first one. Although he visited the doctor twice till now. So as it is dependent part, it is called the subordinate clause. This is called the subordinate clause. So in this sentence, we got one main clause and another subordinate clause. So if we got two of them, one is independent, another one is subordinate clause. So this type of sentence is called complex sentence. जदि हमें गोटे डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज पाइले आ गोटे इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज पाइले सेंटेंस रे ताले ताको हमें कहबा जटिल वाक्य बा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. नाउ कम टू द प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट. आइडेंटिफाई द सिंपल कंपाउंड एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. अंक भितर कोटा सिंपल कोटा कॉम्प्लेक्स कोटा कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. Rina is coming from Delhi. So it is an independent sentence. So it is a simple sentence. It is a simple sentence. It is a simple sentence. When we met her in the bus stop, she was trembling with fear. So when we met her in the bus stop, is it independent? No, it is not independent. It is dependent one. So this part is the subordinate clause. She was trembling with fever. This is the main clause. This is the main clause. So this type of sentence is called complex sentence. Complex sentence. Third one, he is ready to play with me, but I was little late to come. So he is ready to play with me. It is independent. It is not depending upon any other sentence. Another one, I was little late to come here, but I was little late to come. So but here is the conjunction. But here is the conjunction. I was little late to come. It is another independent clause. It is not depending upon any other clause. So here two independent clauses, they are joining by this conjunction but. So it is a compound sentence. So it is a compound sentence. Then his leg had broken due to an accident. So it is also an independent clause. It is not depending upon any other clause. So it is a simple sentence. So it is a simple sentence. He had joined with me after he had finished his job. Here, he had joined with me. So this sentence is an independent clause because it is not depending any other. But here, after he had finished his job, this one is the dependent clause. Why it is dependent clause? Because if we say after he had finished his job, it is not giving any complete sense properly. So this part of sentence depend upon the first one. So it is dependent clause. This is main clause or independent clause. So this type of sentence is called complex sentence. Complex sentence. Thank you for today's class.